Hi, sorry about this video featuring my furry friend rather than me. I'm just very uncomfortable being on video, so apologies. Regarding Forex trading for beginners and the content that Saad Ali has posted, it's superb. I did a random Google search looking for break of structure information, couldn't find anything until I finally downloaded information from Forex Trading for Beginners, and it's absolutely excellent. Saad has put together a complete package of learning that pretty much covers everything. I've had experience through mirror trading and through trading live and demo myself, and not successfully. Sadly, I was one of those who suffered in the 2020 crash. But anyway, yep, currently on demo again, following Saad's plan. Every time I divert from it to go back to bad old habits, I suffer. So it's really important that I continue to do what he's suggesting. The information he's given on breaks of structure and etc., using Fibos. I didn't even understand bearish and bullish Fibos. He's given huge insight into every aspect of Forex trading, and all for free. So Saad, thank you from the bottom of my furry little heart.